Hello YouTube, hope you are doing well. Today I am here to show you how you can view the birthdays of your friends on Facebook. So without any delay, let's move to our topic. Open your browser, then search for Facebook. Log into your Facebook account. Guys, when we want to view the birthdays of our friends, we open their profiles and scroll down at the last of their profiles to view their date of birth. It's so annoying and time taking. So if you want to view the birthdays of your friends in easy method, simply click on events at the left side of Facebook menu, and here you see options of calendar, birthdays and discover events. Simply click on birthdays, and here you can see that the birthday months of our friends will be shown, like my this friend birthday in October and it's shown, and same here December, January, March, May. So you can easily view the birthdays of your friends and give the surprise to your friends in advance. Hope this video helped you to solve your problem of how to view the birthdays of our friends in advance. If you have any question, you can ask that question in comment section. I will reply you as soon as possible. Also, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.